Anapreneur, and today I'm going to explain to you what affiliate marketing is and how does it work for beginners, okay? So first of all, my slides are not that great, but it's okay. So what are you going to sell? How are you going to sell it? And what platform are you going to use to sell your affiliate marketing product? So first of all, affiliate marketing is where you sell something and you make a commission. So it's somebody else's product, you're taking it, and you're marketing that product for the company. And you are making a commission if somebody else buys it from you. So you can sell anything from digital to physical products, but you have to start with a niche. You have to know what type of products you would like to sell. So those could be educational products, which is what I do. You could sell travel. You can sell Amazon stuff. You can sell different things so then marketing your product on different platforms, right? So, whoops. Yeah, I'm not good with this. Whoops. So first of all, you have to figure out who your audience is that you're going to be trying to market to, and what they want, and how to solve their specific problem. Because really, to tell you the truth, they don't care if you have the world's best product in the world. If it's not something that they need or want, or is going to solve a problem for them, why would they buy it? They really, that's how they're going to buy, is when you can show them what you have is going to solve something for them. So I have an example here. So you may be a mother of a young child, so your audience is going to be other mothers of young children, correct, that are actually looking to stay home with their kids, not have to send them to daycare, not have to have a babysitter. So they're looking to subsidize their income on a part-time basis, okay? So in my circumstance, my audience is somebody that is close to retirement age. They want to know how they're going to make it after they do retire, and they want to beef the savings up of what they may have already put away for when they are going to enjoy their retirement years. Okay, so I'm sure you understand where I'm coming from. So usually the audience is somewhat similar to yourself, and because you're going to speak to them differently, and because those two examples I gave you are specific audiences, right? And you would speak to them in a whole different way than what you would. So with the examples I have given you, you understand that those two different audiences would be spoken to in a different language, okay? So the free methods of the platform that you can use are, of course, YouTube videos. You can use Facebook, or you can use Messenger on Facebook, Instagram, podcasts if you prefer audio and not video. There's so many different ways of marketing whatever affiliate product that you have, that you have to kind of pick one and master that, and then you can go on to something else, in my opinion. Whatever you're going to pick, you have to believe in the product or the service, and because you are getting great results personally, and then you will share that with other people, and they'll want to know a little bit more about what you're doing, right? So there are people that sell stuff on ClickBank, which is a free site, offers all kinds of different products, offers what's really good, what's selling really well. They rate the products and the person that is actually selling the product, and then you're paid a commission according to what that seller has agreed to pay you. And it's just like being an affiliate for Walmart or Best Buy or, Target. I mean, all those retail stores have affiliate sites, just like your big Amazon does, okay? But you have to understand that what your commission will be is very minimal to what you are going to be doing if you have invested in your own business and are able to make commissions according to the products that you're selling. If it's a higher ticket product, then you're going to make a larger commission. If you're selling things for $10 and you're only going to get, like half of that, probably not even 50%, but you would see how to actually make an income on that, how many units you would have to sell to become, successful. So basically, I look at it like this. You are selling yourself. It's your brand. And I think that having a vested interest is relevant in a particular company because you have invested in that company, you trust the company, you've been involved in the company, and you know what they're going to deliver. You know that this company has integrity. And when you're putting your own name behind that it says a lot because you are going to attract people to you, right, that want to know, like, and trust. That's where you have to start. And so if you're going to suggest a particular product or service to them, they are going to look to you if it doesn't work out properly. Now, I'm not saying that if somebody joins a business and it doesn't work out for them, because nobody can guarantee anybody else's results. I'm not saying that at all. But if there's something that is not very good about the company, they're not in good standing, they're a little bit scammy, you can't reach the people, I mean, those are all red flags, right? So you want to be sure that whatever you're putting your name and your brand in front of is something you truly believe in and has all the integrity along behind it. So really, I mean, that's the basics of what affiliate marketing is. You're starting with a product, a service, you join a company, you actually purchase the products. Some companies say, yes, you can sell my product, but you have to own that product, you have to have a license for that product. And then there are other companies where you can sell the product, they can buy the product, and they don't actually have to become an affiliate for that product, if that makes sense. That's kind of sounded a little circular there. Anyway, so I hope that this helps you a little bit and when you're trying to figure out what you got to do to start an online business, how to become an affiliate marketer. I think it's one of the easiest things that's somebody that is really just starting out, that they start with this type of program in affiliate marketing. It is one of the top 4 business models besides digital education, events and masterminds, and of course coaching and consulting. So keep those things in mind, and then I'm going to list underneath in the description area what all I am involved in. And then if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified when I have new videos uploaded onto my channel. And I really appreciate you watching with me here today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye now.